Have you ever found yourself trying to figure out how to escalate a connection with a woman to a more intimate level? Do you sometimes feel like you are missing the mark, either holding back too much or pushing too hard? The fact of the matter is that most men struggle with this delicate balance. Women can sense this hesitation or over-eagerness, and it often leads to missed opportunities or uncomfortable situations. What you do and how you do it is important to ensure that both of you are on the same page and genuinely interested. By the end of this video, you will learn the effective ways to make a woman want to sleep with you while respecting her boundaries and earning her trust. Number 12. Be masculine. When it comes to attracting a woman, you must embody a strong masculine presence, as it can be a game changer. Now, don't think about overdoing it or putting on a show. Just be authentically masculine in your energy, the way you carry a conversation, your actions, and even your nonverbal cues. Let her feel the contrast between your masculinity and her femininity. This isn't about being just another friend or being excessively nice in hopes of winning her over. It's about letting her experience the raw, genuine essence of your manliness. This can be incredibly alluring to her, sparking thoughts and desires about being intimate with you. Number 11. Tease her in public. Teasing her in public can be a thrilling way to build anticipation and attraction, but it is crucial to approach this with subtlety and respect. This isn't about immature pranks or making her uncomfortable. Imagine you are at a social gathering, engaged in a group conversation. Under the table, let your hand gently wander up her thigh, stopping tantalizingly close to her inner thigh. Keep this contact brief, around 15 seconds, and then casually withdraw your hand. Repeat this a few times throughout the evening. This kind of discreet yet daring contact can create a sense of excitement and anticipation and make her eager for more intimate moments once you are alone. Number 10. Impress her with your intelligence. Intelligence can be an incredibly attractive trait when presented in the right way. It is not about flaunting your knowledge or overwhelming her with facts in a show of superiority. Rather, it is about sharing your understanding and insights in a confident yet humble manner. Engage her in conversations where your intelligence shines through naturally. Discuss topics you are passionate about or knowledgeable about, but do so with a sense of inclusivity and respect for her viewpoints. This approach, where intelligence becomes a form of subtle foreplay, can be deeply appealing. It sets the stage for a deeper connection, both intellectually and romantically. Number 9. Whisper in her ear. The woman's ear is an overlooked erogenous zone, yet it holds immense potential for creating intimacy. Instead of going for a direct kiss, lean in closer and whisper into her ear. The content of what you say isn't as important as how you say it. It could be sweet nothings, a shared secret, or a light-hearted joke. The key is to keep your voice low and soothing, and let your breath and lips gently graze her earlobe as you speak. This close, intimate act, combined with the softness of your voice, can be incredibly stimulating. It is a powerful way to create a moment of closeness, likely leaving her with tingles of anticipation. Number 8. Treat her with respect and admiration. Treating a woman with the respect and admiration she deserves is fundamental to building a meaningful connection. It is important to understand that while many women embrace their sexuality, this doesn't mean they wish to be objectified. Recognize and appreciate her as a whole person, not just a sexual being. Show her that you value her thoughts, feelings, and presence. Engage with her genuinely, make eye contact, listen attentively, and show that you appreciate her company beyond physical attraction. When you treat her with the respect and dignity of a true lady, you create a foundation of trust and mutual respect. This approach fosters a deeper emotional connection and also leads to a more fulfilling and passionate physical relationship, where fantasies and desires are explored with mutual enthusiasm and respect. Number 7. Communicate your desires clearly. There is something inherently attractive about a man who can confidently express his desires. When you are clear and straightforward about what you want, it can be a major turn-on. This doesn't mean being vulgar or disrespectful, but rather openly sharing your feelings and intentions in a respectful and consensual manner. Let her know what you find appealing about her, what you are thinking, and what you envision for the two of you, whether it is a romantic date or an intimate moment. This level of honesty and openness can be incredibly enticing. It shows that you are not only confident in your desires, but also considerate enough to communicate them clearly. Number 6. Prioritize her wishes and consent. Respecting a woman's wishes in intimate situations is paramount. If at any point she expresses hesitation or asks to stop, you must immediately stop without question. It is beneficial to have open conversations about boundaries and preferences beforehand. This not only shows respect for her comfort levels, but also builds trust. If she is not ready to take the next step in your relationship, honor her decision without pressuring her. Trying to persuade her with arguments or comparisons to others can lead to discomfort and resentment. Instead, be patient and understanding. Remember that consent and desire are deeply personal and can't be rushed. Good timing and a respectful approach are key. When she feels ready and the moment is right for her, she will let you know. Number 5. Build anticipation through gentle teasing. Creating a sense of anticipation can be a thrilling way to heighten sexual tension. One effective method is playful teasing. For instance, you might flirtatiously caution her about the dangers of getting too close to a guy like you. If you have set the right tone throughout your interaction, this kind of banter can lead to an engaging and spirited response from her. Building anticipation isn't just about what you say. It is also about how you say it and your nonverbal cues. Maintain deep eye contact, speak in a soft, low tone, and use gentle, affectionate touches like stroking her hair or caressing her face. These actions can significantly amplify the mood, turning up the heat in a subtle yet powerful way. It is all about creating an atmosphere that is charged with excitement and desire, a challenge that requires a blend of sensitivity, confidence, and timing. Number 4. Unleash your passionate side. Letting your primal, passionate side show can be incredibly enticing for a woman. You can do this by surprising her with a deep, passionate kiss, one that conveys your desire without words. As you kiss, let your hands gently explore her hair, as it adds a layer of intensity and passion to the moment. It is about showing her how much you crave her presence, not just in words, but through your actions. After a romantic evening, playfully lifting her and carrying her to the bedroom can be a thrilling experience for both. It is a bold move that speaks to a deep, instinctual attraction and makes her feel desired and cherished in a raw, authentic way. Number 3. Create intimacy with a massage. A massage can be a wonderful way to create intimacy and comfort, especially if she is feeling a bit nervous. It is a gentle, non-threatening way to build physical closeness. Start with something simple and non-intrusive, like a hand massage. Pay attention to her reactions. If she is enjoying it, you can gradually progress. Use a mild oil like scented massage oil, or even something as gentle as baby oil. Gently massage her neck, and if she seems comfortable, move to her back. The key is to be attentive and responsive to her comfort level. Lighting some candles and playing soft music can enhance the atmosphere and make it feel more like a shared, intimate experience rather than just the start of something else. This approach not only helps her relax, but also builds trust and a deeper connection. Number 2. Help her relax and be present. A key aspect of enhancing a woman's sensual experience is helping her to relax and be in the moment. Usually, mental barriers can be the biggest hindrance to enjoying intimacy. It is important to create an environment where she feels completely accepted, attractive, and above all, safe. This sense of security allows her to let go of any inhibitions or worries and truly immerse herself in the experience. Focus on building a connection that transcends the physical aspect. Engage in conversations that make her feel valued and heard, and be attentive to her needs and comfort. With such an atmosphere of trust and safety, you help ease her mind, which in turn makes her want to sleep with you. Number 1. Give her slow and gentle touches. The art of touch can be incredibly powerful in building sexual tension and desire. Start with gentle, slow caresses that awaken her senses. Give her a slow and deliberate touch to stimulate her. It is not just about where you touch, but how you do it. As you progress, incorporate soft kisses in a teasing manner. This approach is about creating a sensory experience that captivates her entirely. The goal is to make a profound connection that makes her want more. Conclusion. When it comes to creating a connection to make her sleep with you, you must approach her with respect, patience, and genuine interest. Remember, any hint of desperation or overstepping boundaries can easily cause her to pull away. So, build a foundation of trust, mutual respect, and emotional connection. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.